Hi everyone! If you want to hide photos on your Redmi 17C and keep your private pictures safe, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you step by step how to hide photos in Redmi 17C and how to hide photos in gallery quickly and easily. This feature is very useful if you want to keep personal photos private and protect them from other people using your phone. Many Redmi users don't know that the Gallery app already has built-in tools for hiding photos without installing extra apps.